Ukulele Fool, and this was a song that my patrons wanted to do. It came out in the top 8 on a poll that we did a while back. Only Want to Be With You by Hootie and the Blowfish. Some of you might know Darius Rucker's version of Wagon Wheel. This is a more advanced tutorial, and the strumming is the issue. We're going to use these more advanced chords. The strum pattern for this song is challenging. Not only do you have some very rapid movements that you have to make, there's lots of syncopation in it, which means things are off the beat, and then on top of it, you have to change chords in the middle of the strum. But first things first, let's work with being very quick and very light. I'm just going to mute my strings here. We're going to do what's called 16th notes. That means there's 16 sounds over 4 beats, and classical musicians would count at 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and you have to be very relaxed. You have to be very light, and your action is happening, just pretty much below my watch here. Really nice and slowly. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and I'm speeding up. 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E. And I encourage you to do this exercise on your own, away from this video, making sure that you're keeping things light. Your future self will thank you, and if you can do it with a metronome, that would be awesome. The first 2 beats of this strum are easy. They're just 2 down strums. So let's swallow the frog and do the second half of this strum, which is much more challenging. Let's use our bodies to understand this. I'm going to put a beat here on my hands. I suggest you do the same thing. Here we go. It's down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You might want to put other words with that too, because sometimes you get lost in the down and ups and shoo, be, do, be, do, be, 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 shoo, be, do, be, do, be. And my foot here, which you can't see because it's off camera, is going down, down. I'm keeping the beat on my body and using your foot. In fact, if you can walk it and talk it and shoo, be, do, that your feet will give you lots of information. We have so many sensors in our feet. So if you can walk it and talk it, that would really help you. With just our muted strings, putting the whole thing together rhythmically, it's down, down, shoo, be, do, be, 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 down, down, shoo, be, do, be. And you may need to just work that because it gets more complicated because many times it is split between the F and the B flat. So it's down, down, shoo-be, down, down, shoo-be, down, down, shoo-be, down. So that would be your next step in doing it. If you feel like you can master that strum, let's put it together and do the chords. Let's do a playthrough. The song is all verses, but there's a first ending and a second ending, so we're going to do the first ending first. I want to bring your attention to the chords that are in yellow because those do not have two chords on it, like the G minor 7. You play the whole pattern just on a G minor 7. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up. So I put those in yellow just as a little reminder, and I put the F and B flats in little brackets together for this practice session. One last thing, I'm going to try to help you verbally with this. So I'm not going to be saying B flat when they're in brackets together. I'm going to do F, F, down, up, 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 down, up. Like that to try to help you. 1, 2, ready, here we go. F, F, down, up, 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 down, up, 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 F, F, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, G minor, down, up, down, up, B flat, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, up. Well, this second ending that we have here has us the C7 sus4, and those just get 2, 1, 2, only wanna be with you, and we go back into the strumming pattern. 1, 2, here we go. F, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, F. I realized that then trying to put the words in, that's a whole nother thing. So I've got a play along coming up in this key. If you want to play along with Hootie and the Blowfish, just put a capo on the 1st fret, and I recommend that you get a chord chart. All these diagrams in here are in my chord chart. I have a link down below in the description and in the comments. And if you've liked this so far, please let me know by giving a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. That would be a massive help. Got a quick little tip for you on the B flat. If you do it like a kind of a press release, it'll sound muddier, but it'll sound purposely muddier. And so if you're not getting a good clean seat on that B flat, don't worry, just make it a little bit muddy, like. Yeah, so you'll have a little muting happening there, and it'll be cool. I'm going to go purposely slow. Your starting vocal pitch is an A. You. 1, 2, ready, again. be with you. Put on a little Dylan, sitting on the fence. I said that line is great. Asked me what it meant. I said I shot a million great. Took his wife to Italy. She inherited $1 million, and when she died, came to me. I still can't help I'm lucky. I only wanna be with you. Ain't Bobby so cool? I only wanna be with you. Yeah, I'm tangled up in blue. I only wanna be with you. Call me your fool. I only wanna be with you. Sometimes I wonder if we'll ever end. You get so mad at me when I go out with my friends. Sometimes you're crazy and you wonder why I'm such a baby. Yeah, the dolphins make me cry, but there's nothing I can do. I only wanna be with you. Call me your fool. I only wanna be with you. Yeah, I'm tangled up in blue. I only wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I only wanna be with you. I only wanna be with you. Well, I hope this helped you master this song. It is really fun. Love those songs from the 90s. Dolphins. I mean, if you look at the video, you realize it's the Miami Dolphins, not the aquatic mammal dolphins, to make them cry. And of course, when he references Dylan, but then he calls him Bobby. You know, I wonder if they know each other. Could be. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Is there a picture of them together out online somewhere? Thank you so much for watching to the end. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much to my patrons. Could not do this job without you.